All right, Ryan Bretton's here now with your full check of the forecast. It was still kind of cool out there in some places today, but the heat's coming.
Yes, and it's muggy too.
Yeah.
You know, I feel like for me it's always challenging on these days. Do you want to put the AC on or not? You just want the mugginess taken out of the air.
Yes, anything to get the moisture out would be nice.
Yes, and that's where we'll start. Remember, how we measure how the air feels to us is by using the dew point temperature. And the higher this number is, the more humid the air is. So we have a dew point of 70 right now in Sanford. That's like Florida levels of humidity. And we'll bring this through tonight. It remains muggy tonight, less so over down east, more so over western Maine. And then tomorrow is going to be very humid again, especially the farther west you are. We may have dew points that pop into the mid 70s for a brief time tomorrow afternoon around Freiburg. And then on Friday, a cold front passes by and the humidity drops in a big way. Now, we have seen some sunshine up over northern Maine. There are actually a few thunderstorms headed toward Presque Isle right now, non-severe, but heavy rain and some lightning there. Otherwise, it's a little mist and drizzle, no steady rain across the state right now. So as we head into the day tomorrow, this cold front will be coming in, but the question for tomorrow's forecast is how much sun do we see? More sun, higher chance for some storms developing. So through this evening, lots of clouds. It's mainly dry, but I think we'll have some fog reforming tonight, and we wake up tomorrow morning to lots of clouds. It's muggy. Temperatures will be in the 60s. If you're in mid-coast or eastern Maine tomorrow, you probably never see the sun. It's mostly cloudy there, a few breaks of sunshine. But in western Maine, where the sun does come out, it will heat up into the 80s, and that's where we have a better chance of seeing some thunderstorms late in the day. Those thunderstorms getting going in New Hampshire during the late afternoon and then coming in during the early evening. And a couple of these could be strong in western Maine, but where it's running into cooler, more stable air in eastern Maine, they should kind of die out once they get there. And this tells the story pretty well. Highest chance for any severe weather tomorrow with damaging wind gusts in any of these storms would be in New Hampshire and western Maine. And again, it's really late afternoon and early evening. We'll watch for that. Now on Friday, kind of an interesting day. Northern Maine, probably a lot of clouds with a few showers. In southern Maine, as the humidity drops and the sun comes out, it'll be a pretty nice day, but it may be windy on Friday. May have some gusts at times up over 40 miles per hour on Friday as that less humid air blows in on that gusty wind. On the water tomorrow, seas 2 to 3 feet with a southerly wind 5 to 10 knots. So humid tomorrow with a chance for some storms late, especially to the west. Clearing and less humid on Friday. It's still nice and comfortable on Saturday. There is a chance for showers Saturday night into Sunday morning, but I think Sunday afternoon will be dry. And then we have the potential to be hot early next week. 90s pretty likely on Tuesday. We may turn cooler on Wednesday if a backdoor front comes down the coast. But across the interior, places like Freiburg, Bridgeton, we might be looking at a heat wave, which is 3 days at 90, and that'll come with high humidity too. We'll just have to see when that cold front comes down. So
if it cuts that short.
Yeah.
Okay, Ryan, thanks.
You're welcome.